Good day, beloved customer. We would like to announce that every Wednesday, we save Mother Earth. Just bring your own bag and limit the use of paper bags. Thank you for your understanding. Enjoy eating, drinking, and shopping. See you every day. Thank you.
Kasama sa buhay, sa gitna ng doon at dito, anong oras ko mang gusto, may magkakasama ako, kaibigang tulad mo. Buti na lang may takbuhan, mapunta man kahit saan, kasamang maaasahan. Buti na lang, buti na lang, salamat sa'yo, kaibigan, sa tagal ng samahan, sa bawat minutong kailangan. Buti na lang, ika'y narito.